Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Azure Synapse Analytics to ADLS Gen2 for ingestion. Complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Azure Synapse Analytics to Azure Data Lake Storage Gen2 for data ingestion, begin by logging into your Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure Synapse workspace you want to configure. In the Synapse workspace, locate the Manage Hub, typically found in the left-hand menu. Under the External Connections section, choose Linked Services. Click on the plus New button to create a new linked service. In the Linked Services panel, search for Azure Data Lake Storage Gen2. Select the option for Azure Data Lake Storage Gen2 from the list. Enter a name for your linked service, which can be descriptive to identify its purpose. Choose the authentication method you would like to use. For most cases, the Azure Service Principal option is recommended for secure access. If using Service Principal, input the necessary details like the Service Principal ID, Tenant ID, and Secret. Next, provide the storage account URL of your Data Lake Storage Gen2 instance. Make sure to specify the container name that you wish to connect to within the storage account. Once all fields are filled out, click on the Test Connection button to validate the settings. If the test is successful, click Create to finalize the linked service. Now, navigate to the Integrate Hub in your Synapse workspace. Here, you can create a new pipeline for data ingestion. Add a copy data activity to your pipeline, which will handle the ingestion process. In the Source tab of the activity, select your Azure Data Lake Storage Gen2 linked service. Configure the source dataset according to the data you intend to ingest. Next, move to the Sync tab and select your destination, which could be a table in a data warehouse or another storage location. Configure the sync dataset and ensure it matches the data structure of the source. Once everything is configured, save your pipeline. To begin the ingestion process, you can trigger the pipeline manually or set a schedule for automatic execution. Monitor the pipeline run in the Monitor Hub to check for successful ingestion or any errors that may arise. This completes the setup for connecting Azure Synapse Analytics to Azure Data Lake Storage Gen2 for data ingestion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.